this tutorial, you'll learn how to stop Windows from resetting your settings in Call of Duty Black Ops 6.
Open Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Open Settings. Open Keyboard and Mouse. Open the Keybind section. In System Key Behavior, select Game. Open your taskbar options and right-click the OneDrive icon. Click on Settings. Open Settings again. Click on Manage Backup. Uncheck Documents and then press Save Changes. Now launch your game. First, open a folder. Open Documents. Open Call of Duty. Open Players. Open the text document that ends with code 24. Click on Edit. Click on Find. In the search bar, type Cloud. Press Enter until you find the entry that allows locally stored files to be synced in with the cloud. Now change the value from true to false. Click on File and then click on Save. Now launch your game.